Hey guys, it's Amanda and welcome back to my channel. So, in about a week from now, today is August 31 and then September 7 will be the start of my online classes. Sasha! So as I was saying, today is August 31 and about a week from now, magsa-start na yung online classes ko. I'm here making this video to show you guys how I would prepare for my online classes next week. I guess a week is enough to prepare for that. So that's what I'll be doing today. I won't be making major preparations naman. Just a few things that would help me start the school year in an organized way, I guess. So, yeah. So, the first preparation I did was buy school supplies. And I know this isn't really necessary since online classes naman tayo and we won't really be using a lot of... I know we're not really allowed to go out, pero I bought all my school supplies from Shopee. So, online. So, safe naman siya. Wash your hands or maligo kayo after, but okay naman yung ligo. Just wash your hands and make sure to disinfect your packages right away. So, the first thing I got is this G-Tech pen. This is the 0.41. I'm not really comfortable using the 0.31 kasi masyado siyang manipis. Hirap ako basahin yung handwriting ko. So, I get the 0.41 always, along with its refill. The next thing I got are these Coletto 0.4 then na refills. I do have a Coletto pen. Kung alam nyo yon, it's like a multicolored pen. So I got the 3-barrel one and what I usually put there is black, red, and blue. Yung black and blue ko laging ubos. Mabilis talaga siya maubos yung Coletto. So I bought 2 of each na rin. Yung red meron ako, so ito lang yung binili ko. The next thing I got are tape. I forgot how much this is, pero 99 lang ata isa. And then you already have 2. And then, open na to actually. Pinasa ko lang. The thing I like about this is meron siyang cutter. So, hindi siya mag-focus syempre. Is meron siyang cutter. Hindi mo na kailangan dalhin yung malalaking tape dispenser. You already have a cutter with it. So, it's very handy. And I bought 4 kasi lagi na lang nawawala ng tape dito sa kwarto because ako yung national bookstore ng family. Then I also got these mesh pencil cases. And the reason why I bought this is to organize all my writing materials. I know I don't really have much, pero I still do have naman. And I want to keep it organized syempre here at home. Just so they won't be lying around everywhere. The thing I have for this mini haul is yellow pad. And I know, Mandy, ang dami. Bakit? Ang dami. Ang OA naman. I don't know. If you're in college, you just need yellow pad in your life. Lalo na yung kuya ko because he's studying law. So, all you lawyers out there, I know how much you need yellow pad. So my mom got this shortly before the pandemic and di naman namin in-expect na magiging purely online classes this year, but I guess magagamit ko pa rin naman siya next school year or next sem hopefully when things get better na. Lastly, what I have with me here is something that you guys keep on asking me about. And it's the Deco dotted journal. A lot of you have been asking me about this kasi na, ate, where did you get your notebook? Or anong notebook yung nasa college essentials video mo? And this is the notebook I was using during my first year. It's 60 sheets. It's 100 GSM. Ganda yung quality ng paper niya, super. Fine pa yung dots niya. Hindi siya yung in-your-face na dot. A lot of you guys were telling me na wala silang mahanap or laging ubos sa NBS. So, I made sure to find a seller sa Shopee for you guys so you can buy. And then, I bought 2 na rin so I could give it away to you guys kasi a lot of you have been finding this talaga and asking me about it. So, yun. So, yun. If you wanna join the giveaway, just make sure to follow the mechanics below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And then, follow my Instagram here. I'll be posting the giveaway. The mechanics will be there then. So, yan. And I'll just be choosing 2 of you guys. Hey guys, so it's the next day. It's September 1. I'm going to be preparing my class schedule. I have with me here my laptop and also my registration form kasi dito ako magbe-base ng schedule ko. So actually, nakagawa na ako ng schedule. Nilagay ko lang siya here sa desktop just so I could easily see my classes. Pero yung gagawin ko ngayon is I'll be transferring my classes, or rather, I'll be creating a calendar of my classes sa Google Calendar. This is something I've been doing since my first year in college, just so I could have a weekly view of my classes. I'll insert a screen recording na lang, just so you guys could see what I'm doing. I'm already here sa Google Calendar, so what I'll be doing is I'll add another calendar. So, create new calendar, and then yung name ko, classes lang. So, create. So, na-add na yung classes ko na calendar. And then, I'll just be changing the color. I'll make it into graphite na lang. So, one class will be equivalent to an event. So, create. And then, yung title nun is the subject name. So, General Pathology Lecture. And then, every Friday siya. Starting September 7. So, September 7. So, my classes start at September 7. So, I'll make sure it starts during the week of my first day of class. So, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. I will be changing this setting to weekly on Friday. I'll leave the others blank and then I'll just change the calendar since pasok siya sa classes. So, save. So, yun. I'll just finish doing this and then I'll be back and show you what I have done. Wait lang. So, I'm done making my schedule here sa Google Calendar and I'll be showing you guys what it looks like. So, mukha lang siyang timetable. As you guys would usually do when making a schedule. This is what it looks like in a month. So, kita nyo na it just repeats weekly. So, what I like about it is I can add it as a widget sa phone ko. It's the leftmost dito. So, here you can see I have my batteries and Google Calendar. You can see your schedule for that day right here. And then, sa iPad ko din, ganun din yung ginawa ko. I locked the widget sa home screen. Makikita ko agad yung schedule ko for that day once I open my phone and once I open my iPad, which are things that I'm always holding ngayon na nandito ako sa house lang. Using Google Calendar is also great for your schedule because you have the option for Google Calendar to alert you whenever it's time for your class na. Especially now that we're at home lang and then we tend to lose track of time and our schedule, so maganda din yung may mag-a-alert sa atin. So, Google Calendar has that option. So, I'm done with school supplies and I'm done with my schedule. The next thing I have to do is clean my workspace. This is my workspace. Ito yung cabinet ko filled with my school supplies. And then, here's my desk area. This drawer has a lot of my stuff. Random books, which I feel like I'll store somewhere else na lang para meron pa akong storage dito. And then, more kalat. And then here, I have paper. That's what I'll be organizing right now. So guys, here's a final look of my workspace. I just have my school bag here. Nandito pa rin yung iba kong school stuff from last semester. And then, ito, chair lang. Then, this is where I keep all my chargers. Nandito lang para hindi pa kalat-kalat. Important files, then extra folders. Then, ito na yung magiging setup ko for online classes. I have my laptop here, my iPad, and then this stand na I got from Shopee. I'll link it down below then. So, the stand really helps, lalo na if you're watching videos. Maganda talaga siya. You can adjust it then. So, I think ganyan, ganyan. Then here, I just have my smart cover, smart keyboard para sa iPad ko. I just kept it here kasi hindi ko naman siya ginagamit. I have a bottle which my mom DIY'd. My fairy lights lang siya sa loob. and my watch, and the stand is from Shopee lang din. Alcohol pads, Mighty Bond, and a calculator that I don't use na but just in case I need it. 1/4 sheet of yellow paper and stamp ng pangalan ko. So ito, I just have a corkboard there to plan my week. Alcohol para pagpasok ko ng room ko. May alcohol. Tape dispenser, a pen holder. Ito, Apple pencil lang. Should keep it here. So in this first drawer, I just have my art supplies, extra screen protectors, etong extra ziplocs, my labelers, and then sticky notes, extra tape. The next drawer is what I would grab for online classes. My mom said I would need it for pharma, so I just have it here. And then a notebook. Even though I write down notes on my iPad, you'll never know when you need a notebook, so meron lang dyan. And one yellow pad. Tapos my bullet journal and my pencil case. So power bank, extra Wi-Fi. Just in case our Wi-Fi goes bad, at least may extra ng prepaid Wi-Fi dito. Sa last drawer are just extra stuff. Di ko na to ginalaw kasi organized na naman siya. My Muji binder is here. My yellow paper na napakadami. And then Muji binder refills. And yeah. So I'm done. Hey guys, so I'm done cleaning my room and I'm pretty much done with all the preparations I need for my classes next week. Another thing I usually do when I prepare for a semester is to declutter my files sa laptop and organize them. Pero nagawa ko na siya last April nung nag-end yung second semester ko last year, so I don't have to do that anymore. But if you want me to make a video on how I organize my files, then maybe I can show you guys in the future. And yeah, good luck to everyone having their online classes too, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye!